Induction cooking is taking the culinary world by storm. It's precise, energy efficient, and easy to clean. Plus, it adds a modern touch to any kitchen. LG offers an impressive line of induction cooktops. But what makes LG the best choice for your customers? Welcome to the Lab by LG. In this video, we'll explore what makes LG induction products perfect for almost any kitchen. Now let's start by understanding how induction works. Induction cooking works by using electromagnetic fields on copper coils to directly heat the cookware, rather than the cooktop surface itself. When an induction-compatible pan is placed on the cooktop, an alternating current creates a magnetic field, which introduces an electric current into the pan, heating it up. It sounds complicated, right? But in short, this means only the cookware gets hot, while the cooktop stays cool. It works with cookware made from ferrous materials like cast iron or magnetic stainless steel. It's also important to understand that copper loses the ability to induct effectively as it gets hotter. So in order to keep the coils cool, we've done a few things. Underneath the coil is an incredibly advanced system for monitoring temperature, bringing cool air in and removing air from the induction coil itself through a heat sink. And just in case they do get too hot, we've added a thermometer to our coils to consistently monitor the temperature at the top of the coil, to make sure we can turn it down if something goes wrong before blowing a fuse or damaging the cooktop or pan. Advanced inverter technology allows more precise and rapid control of temperature for a simmer all the way up to an incredible ultra heat. In fact, our coil design allows for boiling of water 2.5 times faster than gas cooktops. New to LG induction cooking is also the efficiency meter that will allow you to see how efficient your cooktop is on each burner. Now, did you know that the efficiency of the cookware can change based on the size of the element? By moving the pan to the right-sized element, we can increase the efficiency while decreasing our cook times and potentially usage of energy. One of the things that all induction cooktops can offer is increased safety over gas and traditional radiant heat elements. Because heat is only generated on the cookware over the element, the surrounding area does not get hot. We're melting a bar of chocolate. Notice that it melts only the surface on the pan, but stays cool on the element itself. Here, we're boiling a pot of water over a $100 bill. We can pick up the boiling water and look, the bill is fine. We can touch the element, but sure, it's warm because I just had a pot of boiling water over it. So what do you expect? But it's not extremely hot. And don't forget, thinQ will let you monitor which elements are on and what's cooking. I also love how thinQ will automatically turn on the hood or the microwave fan. Induction cooking offers precise usage, energy savings, and safety. If that's not enough, let me tell you one more thing that you'll love about induction cooking. Because the cooktops themselves aren't getting hot, cleanup is absolutely a breeze. Even if you drip chocolate or spaghetti sauce on the surface, there's not enough heat to burn it, which means you can wipe away most spills with ease. So there you have it. Induction is the future of cooking, and LG's a fast leader in that future. For customers thinking about induction, let them know about LG's exclusive coil design, and it's keeping everything cooler. And don't forget about that advanced airflow, making the system more reliable. Let's not forget inverter technology and advanced cookware detection, making induction even easier to use. Life's good with LG induction. I look forward to seeing you again at the next lab session.